Our Oklahoma proven shrub for 2024 is this shrub right here. This is a great plant. It is actually been around for decades, but is kind of an underutilized species in my opinion. And this is the Contorted Filbert, or sometimes called Harry Lauder's walking stick, Corylus avellana contorta. This is a really cool shrub because of its curly, twisty stems, as well as the leaves. So you can see even the leaves kind of look a little bit curly and twisted, kind of droop a little bit. So some people might, initially look at it and think it's, got a problem, but this is actually its natural habit. But the prize, feature of this is those curly, twisty stems, which are really more noticeable, of course, during the winter time after all the leaves fall. Now this plant can get up to 8-10 foot tall. It is pretty tough. Once you get it established, it tolerates a wide variety of soil conditions. It's cold hardy throughout Oklahoma. You just really need well-drained soils. Now this form of it, the curly twisty stem form of it, the contorted form, is often grafted onto a non-contorted rootstock. So if you have suckers that pop up that are not curly and twisty, then you'll want to remove those. However, some growers actually grow them on their own rootstock, so you may get curly, twisty suckers as well. In the winter, not only are the stems nice to look at, but in the late winter, the male flowers, which are catkins, will be kind of a yellow-gray color, and they will be hanging from the plant, and they will look really nice too. Occasionally, and I've never really seen nuts on these plants before, but actually ours is producing a few hazelnuts, even though this is not grown for them and typically don't grow very many. Now there are also a couple of cultivars that this plant comes in with reddish purple or burgundy colored leaves. There's Red Dragon and Red Majestic. They're a little bit smaller, a little more compact, so growing to about 6 foot tall. Red Majestic actually has the purplish leaves and is slightly weeping in its habit as well. So if you're looking for a cool, a fun, unique shrub for your garden space, this might be something to consider.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.